Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the old Friv games. The original Friv website has changed quite a bit, but don't worry, you can still enjoy those beloved classic titles. Many dedicated archival websites now host these games, preserving them for everyone. We'll explore how to find these reliable sources and what technical considerations you might need to keep in mind to ensure a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience, bringing back all those nostalgic memories. Finding the right place to play these classic games is key. You'll want to look for reputable Flash game preservation websites that have a long history of archiving content. These platforms often boast extensive libraries, sometimes featuring hundreds of original Friv titles. Always take a moment to verify the website's security and check user reviews to ensure a safe and authentic gaming environment. This step is crucial for a worry-free nostalgic journey. Playing older Flash games often requires a few technical adjustments. Since many modern browsers no longer natively support Flash, you might need to install a browser extension or use a dedicated Flash player application. It's also wise to check your browser settings to ensure that Flash content or its emulation is permitted. Sometimes, specific browser versions work best for certain games, so a little experimentation can go a long way for optimal performance. To truly optimize your classic Friv gaming experience, a few simple tips can make a big difference. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection, especially for online multiplayer titles. Closing any unnecessary background applications will free up system resources, leading to smoother gameplay. For maximum immersion, always try playing your games in full-screen mode. Now, you're all set to dive back into those beloved Friv games and relive countless hours of fun and nostalgia.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.